Hello everyone, in this exercise of AutoCAD, I will create this 2D sketch. Okay, there are these two lines at an angle of 144 degree. First, I will draw these lines, two lines at an angle of 144 degree. Okay, then later on I will draw the circles 50 mm dia, 100 mm dia. Okay, now start. The distance is 250 and this distance is 350 and angle between this is 144. First I will make these two lines. Okay, when you open the AutoCAD, this interface you will come. Now first I draw line, keep polar tracking on this one. This distance, in order to make a straight line, you please keep polar tracking on. Okay, first distance is 250. Enter. Okay, now slide enter out of the command. Slightly zoom it. You rotate your middle mouse button towards monitor side and press middle mouse button and drag in order to pan the drawing. Now this another line is at a distance of 144 degree between, but from this horizontal line this one and this angle between these lines is 144, but from the horizontal it will be 180 minus 144, that will be 36. So draw 350 length, 350 tab. Now this is 36. Enter. Now this angle will be 144. Later on I will give the dimension also. Okay, now one is the circle, two circles. If you see the drawing, 50 and 100. This is 100 and 200. I will draw the circles here. 50, 100, 100 and 200. Circle, center diameter command, 50, enter. Okay, in order to repeat the command, enter. Center point, dia of the command, this dia 100, enter. Okay, now these dia 100 and 200. This 100, enter, again 200, enter. Okay, now another, this is 45 and 95. These dias are 45 and 95. Again center diameter 45, enter, 95, this one, enter. This I have made this one. Okay, now if you see the drawing, these are the tangent lines here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now I will make this one. Later on I will show the dimensions also. Okay, line, take the line, you see the quadrant point is catching. You have to keep this object snap and object snap tracking on. Please note this thing, and this polar tracking on. Okay, now if you see the quadrant is catching, if I move my cursor, this one, but I need the tangent. You can also take them manually. Shift right click, that is the tangent there, this one, and click. Now you see the tangent symbol is coming. Click again. This is manually selection. Shift right click, tangent, this one, and click. When tangent symbol comes, click, enter. In order to make automatic object snap, you can turn it here, tangents, this one, and keep uncheck this one, quadrant. Okay, and also center off. Okay, this one. Now you take the line, not coming, tangent on, extension on, this one, now it is coming. So, if any other object snap is catching, you please turn off. Only you turn on only the required object snap. Turn this one, tangent. Okay. Now you see the tangent symbol. Click, enter. Again, line, this tangent symbol you are seeing, click. Now you're seeing click, enter. This one, when you see the tangent symbol, click. When you see the symbol, click, enter. For automatic, you can take this one. If any other object snap is catching, you please turn off that. In this way, you can execute this object snap and object snap tracking. Okay. Now I drawn this one. I have drawn two circle. I will show you the dimension also here. This, if you this is the in annotation, there is this dimensions are all dimension you can give. I will make a special tutorial on the dimensions also. Okay. First I take angular, click, this one, but dimension is very less, and that is not visible. For that, press D, enter. This box comes, modify, fit. Now give the size, suppose 6, and primary units from here, precision is 0, and period, this one, and okay, and close it. This one, this is 45 degree, because the angle between this is 144. You always take the angle from the horizontal line, the line which is required angle that has, you have to give the parameter from the x-axis. Okay. Now give the radius dimension or linear dimension. This dimension is 250, and this is aligned dimension, this is inclined. So in this way, click 2 points. This is 350. Okay. And one is radius or diameter, this one. If you don't want inside line, then press D, dimension style, this one, modify, and lines, and symbol arrow, and fit, and you uncheck this one, draw dim line between extensions, this one, and okay, and close it. Now in inner lines you can avoid it in this way. Okay. And diameter, again this one 50, enter, and this one again 50, this one, diameter, again this one, and diameter, this one 45, again diameter, and this one, that's this one. Okay. In this way you can give the dimension. If you want to remove this line, you can remove it. Okay. When you use the object snap, if any other object snap is catching, you please turn off that, select only the required object snap. Okay. In this way you can use this one. Okay. And polar tracking, this is used for giving the straight lines. Okay. I hope you would have enjoyed in my this way. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel. Okay. Thank you very much.